flute. Very good student flute. Excellent to start off with. Has a small aperture so that beginners can get into that and get that low D. That's very important that the low D is got and perfected first before you go on playing loads of tunes, because you need to go. And there's good volume out of it. If the aperture was bigger, there'd be even more volume out of it, but it's easier to get the blow into it. Get the centre of the lip here around the aperture and marry up them and try and blow it like that first and get the best sound. Then you can put your fingers on it. Flute. It comes in a case, wooden box, as I say, a very good student flute, very well priced. You'll see that on the internet. It is easy to blow, easy to fill, doesn't take any more than playing a tin whistle, and it's a real flute. It's a wooden flute. Now it polishes up nicely. It's cork joints, which I would advise to put a bit of cork grease on every now and then to make them to protect the cork. Now also we oil the flute with a grape. We use a grapeseed oil just in case. You can use nut oil such as no almond oil or any of those. It's very handy, but just make sure you're not allergic to nuts. And grease bottom end there like so. A bit of oil up that. But look, if you put too much oil on it, it'll just run out, or you can take it off with a tissue. Now, you're only oiling two parts of the flute, right in the foot, and you're oiling the main body. I'm going to rub some of the oil into the outside of it, just to show you how well it polishes up. And you don't have to oil the head, or the joint, the slided joint, the tuning slide if you like. You can oil the outside of it because it makes it lovely and shiny. Yeah, I'll just take a cloth to that. Yeah, but it's very important that the inside is oiled. Regardless of the outside, it doesn't really matter. And there you can hear the difference in the sound even at that, and that is just from oiling it. Now it comes in a case, a nice hard case, wooden case, and it comes apart very easy. Close it up, and just to show you how we do this. Now when taking the flute apart, it's very important that they're twisted apart, not shaken forward and backward like that. That will crack the flute, and it's very hard to be responsible for that. But if it's twisted, comes apart for it, but twisted left and right, not up and down like that. So the head goes in first, the foot goes in with the head, and the main body goes into the front, and should close nice and neatly and easily.